Hello guys, how you doing? This is Musa Persian. Musa again. Tonight I wanna introduce and unbox the LG V20 US996 from the New York, from the Brooklyn. Okay guys, this is the box. I got it. This is my third time, to unbox the LG V20 US996 unlocked. See guys, and this is the box that I got it. I don't want the video to be more than 10 minutes. Let's see. Okay, starting. Guys, you see, this is everything, all my details, my location. I think you can see it, yeah. This is from the B&H photo from the New York, Brooklyn. So I just opened it, and let's see it real quick, DHL. And you can read here, I think, from the DHL. And the model number is US LG V20 US996 64 GB smartphone unlocked. As you see guys, this is it. Okay, I got it in two days only, from New York to Dubai, United Arab Emirates. And the price of it is I think is around 361 US dollar. Okay guys, this is not important, just I want to make sure that I got it from the New York. Okay guys, this is the box. Let's unbox it. And by the way guys, this is the used one, because this is LG V20 is discontinued in the whole world, and as I told you before in my last video, it's the latest smartphone with the removable battery, with the 4 GB latest Android smartphone with the 4 GB RAM and with the removable battery. And you don't have any option in LG or any other company with the 4 GB or higher with removable battery. And it's very good for people that they are always outside in the adventure, in the mountains, and they need to swap the battery in just seconds, just seconds. And you can charge the battery with the battery cradle kit. It's especially you just put the battery inside and you can charge it. And that one was also discontinued. You cannot find it, that's why I bought 3 pieces. And by the way, the LG V20 US996, you can root it and you can unlock it, and you can root the phone, and unlock. You can uninstall the Magisk, and you can install the I don't know. You can root it with the Super SU and with the all other options. What they call it, I don't remember. Yeah, you can root it. You can do anything you want. You can install the expose and everything you can do it. The developer, the professional guys, they know it. And guys, okay, let's see it. And by the way, this is the used one, because it's discontinued. This is the used one. It's not brand new. I have 2 brand new, and this is the used one, but the color is very nice. It's silver color. Okay guys, we don't have more time. Let's open it now. Let's open the box. As you see here, LG V20, they got it like this. Okay, this is the box, empty. Let's keep it away. Guys, you see, LG V20 US996. See the model number? Guys, you see, LG V20 US996 USA. This is the model number. Okay? And as you see, the manufacturing date is January 2017, 1 year ago. Around 1 year ago, okay? You got this. This is the color, is the silver. Okay, guys, let's open it real quick. You open it like this, and this is the back side. It's not important, and it's unlocked. You can use it in any other network worldwide. Okay, let's open this one now. Okay guys, and now let's open it like this. You can see it. This is the phone, LG V20. I think I made a mistake. I must turn it, rotate it, yes, like this. This is the phone. And let's see, guys, let me show you something here. And this is the used one. As I told you, this is the used. This is the used one, because this is discontinued in whole world. And specifically this color and this model number. Let's see what we got here. We got here the charger, the cable of the charger, USB Type-C. Everyone knows that. We got here the USA version, the fast charging, as you see. This is the fast charging, yeah, the USA version, and the LG, yeah. And it's very nice. Let's keep it away. And let's here, this is the battery. They keep it here, the battery, the original battery. removable battery. The most important things for me and for everybody, for some people, they need the removable battery. This is the last option. You have no any other option, guys. You see, let's see the mobile. Let's see the phone. This is the LG V20 US996. See here, we got something here. We got the manual printed in Korea. We got the LG V20, as you can read. This is the printed in Korea. Okay, let's see here in the box. We don't have anything else. It's all done. This is the phone. Okay, let's do it real quick. We have only 5 minutes left. So this is the LG V20. LG V20 US996 with the dual camera, with the everything, with the removable battery. LG V20, as you see, this is the used one, but it looks very brand new. And how you can swap the battery now, we have one button here. You have one button, you just press this one. As you see here, I think you can see it. You just press it, yeah. Just keep pressing it. And then when you're pressing, it will just open like this. That's it. That's it, guys. You see? This is, we have the NFC here. This is made in China, but we have, this is the removable battery. So this is very nice for people that they are traveling, and for the people they are in the war. I don't know, in the, like, what they call, I don't know, revolution, something happened, people run away, like, I don't know, jogging or somebody, they want to swap the battery, same as the gun, very fast. This is the latest option. I mean, the latest Android phone with the 4 GB RAM and with the Snapdragon 820, and it's very nice. And we don't have any other option in 2017 and 2018. There is no any flagship removable Android smartphone. There is no. It's finished and it's like it's dead. So let's see it real quick. We have here the micro SD. We have the single SIM. It's the USA version. Let's open the battery. This is, I have a lot of battery. I have more than 6 pieces. This is the original battery. Okay, now let's see inside. Go inside and see it here. It's the made in Korea. Yeah, I think you see it, the made in Korea and the USA. The model number is US996. I think you can see it. You can root this phone. This is the phone, and it's not heavy, and it's very nice color. I have only 5 minutes left. We can now, you saw it, everything. Okay, guys? We can now put it back. You just make sure there is no any sand. You can just put it back, the battery. Let's do it again. And then you can just put it inside, you know. How you do it, you just go from the one side, as you see here. Yeah. From one side, you just keep pressing from the one side, and then keep pressing like this, and the sound will come. That's it. It's done, already done. Okay, guys? We can open the phone also. If you want to see it, you just press this one. You will open, yeah, keep pressing, and you will see everything. We are opening the phone for the first time. We have only 2 minutes left, and by the way, this is my other LG V20, as you see. I bought it the brand new, but the color is Titan. Okay, LG V20 US996. Guys, you see, this is the boss phone. LG V20 US996 from the New York. Okay, guys, now it's opening for the first time. It's turning on. As you can see it. So English United States, guys, as you see, English United States version. That's it. You can root the phone, you can do anything, and the color is very nice. I have 3 pieces. The other one, the silver color, is my first phone, and now I'm recording the video with that one. So 2 in my hand, and 1 is recording right now. Okay, guys, that's it. I think it's done. LG V20 US996, the latest Android flagship smartphone with the removable battery, and with all like other features, all powerful features, and that's why it's good for driving, for the truck driver, for anybody they are in moving adventure, in like in the war, in the, I don't know, in the revolution or in anything, you know, they need to swap the battery very fast. No need power bank, no need to charge it with the it's fast charging, but you don't need to just use the power bank when you are using the GPS and using the power bank. It will take more than 2-3 hours. Okay, guys, I don't have more time. And this is the LG V20 US996 from the United States, New York, Brooklyn, from the B&H company. Very good price, and it's discontinued already. And that's it, guys. That's it. Thank you for watching. This is my last video for the LG V20. And please subscribe to my channel, and you can comment me, and you can just WhatsApp me. I'll put my WhatsApp in my YouTube and in my description, and you can find me in Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and anywhere. Thanks for watching, and see you later. Okay, bye bye. See you.